Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. So everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night and a great week, folks. Surrender and let go of the past. I love this card. Always do your best. Whatever life takes away from you, let it go. When you surrender and let go of the past, you allow yourself to be fully alive in the moment. Letting go of the past means that you can enjoy the dream that is right here, right now. And that's always hard to do, folks. Yesterday's gone, tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 54, NASDAQ off 42, S&P's down 10, gold contract up $2.80, trading at $12.83 an ounce. Silver up 2 cents, $17.10 an ounce now. Both gold and silver, folks, they rejected lower price, had lighter volume. Bottom line, they want top side. Notes, 10-year note up 3 ticks, 124.29. 30-year bond up 5 ticks, 152.11. Both notes and bonds rejected lower price, had dramatically lighter volume. They want top side. King dollar up 156 ticks, 93.735. King dollar rejected higher price, had lighter volume. Guess what? That one's downtown. The euro is trading at 117.5 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 113.25 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so unusual market today. You had selling, you had sustained selling that started about halfway through the market day, and bottom line, didn't let up. That's the first, and I thought that was actually illegal. Bottom line, this is what we have. So you had the SPY get to a higher high. You did 57 million shares. You're down 95 cents. Big deal, right? Bottom line, you're 256. Dow Industrials, same setup. Dow Industrials got to a new high, got to a price point of 23,368. You're down 54 bucks. You need a lot. You need some kind of follow through in order to get some kind of correction going. Now, that being said, this is where the weakness has been here for a long period of time inside the NASDAQ composite as well as the NDX 100. The composite went south. The composite, bottom line, in 6.5 hours, just took back basically, let's see, it took back to October 5th. So it just took back 20 days, or let's see, 5, 10, it took back 13 trading days in 6 hours. So NDX 100, let's see how many days that took back. And the NDX 100, that's down 40 bucks. We are at 6,067, and that did approximately the same. Now, for the NDX, you have to get back inside 59.95 in order to be in a lower range. I do expect you're going to see that. Why? Because if we actually take a look at a few of these high flyers, what you're going to see out here, they started selling down early in the day. We had Google down $19. That's in this lower range. It had already tested its high, did it with dramatically lighter volume. Bottom line, Google now wants $8.94. Amazon out here. Amazon is traded down $16. Amazon's going after a high volume low at $9.27. Right now you're at $9.66. Facebook, really unusual. Facebook sold off also, down $3.71. You're at $171.21. Bottom of this consolidation is $161.56. Facebook also tested its high last week on dramatically lighter volume. We tested that high on the 18th. Now, Facebook is also going to need heavier volume on the way down. Today, this volume is not heavy for Facebook, 13 million shares. Facebook's going to come down like at about 20 or 30 million shares in order to sustain a lower price. We get in, we take a look at the gold contract out here. What you're going to see in the gold contract, nice setup. You know, we went down to 1273.60. We closed out at 1283.40, and that not only rejected your swing area from the October 6th time frame with dramatically lighter volume. But what it also did is got back inside the trading day from the 17th of last week, and that's a big number. 1283.20 or 1283.40. This thing wants higher price, and I suspect what we're going to see is 1362 is game out here. The GDX, we take a look at the GDX. Let me see if we got these pennies. We didn't get it. I wanted to see the GDX get 2318. You're 2314. We do want to see that GDX inside 2318, and what that is, it's in the higher range, okay? But when you're looking at different ranges, the deeper that you actually get into the range, the higher the probability is that you get to the top of it. And where I'm going with the GDX, folks, is on the 20th of September. That's where we went from 2420 to 2318, and we did 67 million shares. That's where this thing really broke down. You know, never got too much below that, but I'd like to see it back inside that area because that's where that seller of the GDX is laying right there. The note market, the note and bond market, both want higher price. Right now, we're at 124.30 in the 10-year. Beautiful test. There was no sellers down at that lowest swing point. Right now, we're at 2.37 in the 10-year. What you do have is that the next Fed meeting is next week, November 1st. Is that well, it's November 1st. The probability of the Fed going up on rates on the 13th of December is 83% right now. So short-term rates are still game to get into higher price. We go into the King dollar out here. Let's go take a look at King dollar. Once again, just couldn't hold price. It's pretty amazing, actually, watching this shake out. King dollar is at 93,725.725. The two swing points that it couldn't handle is 93,840 as well as the 94,111. And the volume is anemic. This is pretty cool. So we did 15,000 contracts, 15,900 versus 27,000. No buyers. No one wants the dollar, folks. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming back with some numbers for you. We had the Dow Industrials close down 54, NASDAQ off 42, S&P's down 10.5. We're going to be right back.